So first, a little bit about bit of background about Nokia. So Nokia is the leading mobile device manufacturer globally. At the end of 2007, over 3 billion consumers worldwide now own a mobile device. And of that number of people who own a mobile device, Nokia enjoys a better than 40% market share globally, which makes us the number one mobile device manufacturer, having shipped over 900 million mobile devices. So the organization that I come from is called Forum Nokia, which is one of the divisions within Nokia, which is essentially the organization that interfaces with developers and to provide developers support through the entire application development life cycle to enable developers to have the right platforms, tools, and technical services to be able to create your applications, and then to ensure that there are go-to-market opportunities by ensuring that these applications are made visible within Nokia and within Nokia's operator partners, as well as the various distribution channels. So on Nokia devices, delivering these experiences all begins with our web browser for the S60 platform. And this is not a limited experience on the mobile. It is a full HTML desktop-like browsing experience, and this has been made available and shipped in millions of our devices for the last 2 years. It is also based around the WebKit open source components, and it was the first platform to bring Ajax to the mobile. Another very important point is that widgets use less data to download because a lot of the code is already residing on the device, and all they are pulling down is actually the content which would then be presented up to the user. So here you can see a diagram of what a widget, this weather bug widget, looks like. And here you can see the same content being presented in the web browser. So on the right you can see that this is a very poor user experience. The user has to wait for this entire page to download from the internet. They have to scroll left and right and up and down, and it takes a long time to get access to the right kind of information that they need. In this one, they can get information on a widget with just one click of the button. So where can you get widgets from? You can get widgets from the Nokia websites, developer websites like Mosh. Mosh is a website where we allow developers to create their own content and their own widgets, and to then upload it and share it with everybody else. And of course, we also have a go-to-market strategy for widgets on our device using this on-device portal called Download. So I just want to spend one slide to talk about Download, because this is very important for developers to actually be able to make money from their widgets and make money from their applications. This is an on-device client. It's been shipping in millions, 100 million of our devices since the early last year, and is available in every single phone. Now the great thing about the download platform is that when a user goes into download, the server will automatically push the freshest content and the catalog of the newest applications down to the end user. And now the active base of the number of people using download to discover and acquire new content and applications exceeds 10 million customers per month. And we support both a revenue share business as well as advertising-driven business models. So it's not just Nokia that is believing that widgets and the web runtime platform is important to enable Web 2.0. There are many industry well-recognized journalists and magazines and journals that have been talking about widgets. You know, Newsweek writes that it's 2007, the year of the widget. Well, it's actually 2008 now. So that comes to the end of my presentation. Thank you very much. I will now take questions. You can speak the questions in Korean and direct it to the translator if you're not comfortable to address it in English. Thank you. So Nokia has been working actively and engaging actively with the regulators like HIPAA and all the mobile operators here to move the talks forward on being able to launch S60 devices in Korea. But at this point in time, we are not able to announce any conclusion of those discussions yet.